Hey, beauty lovers! Want to know the secret to shiny, silky hair? Fast? Let's break it down step by step so you can finally have that healthy, glossy mane you've always dreamed about. First off, it's all about the hair cuticle. When your cuticle lies flat, it reflects light, making your hair look shiny and oh so silky. Damage from heat, chemicals, or just too much styling can mess with that. So treat your hair like you would your favorite silk dress, gently. Use sulfate-free shampoos, nourishing conditioners, and don't skip those weekly hair masks. Your hair will thank you. Now, let's talk about your scalp. Healthy, shiny hair starts at the roots. A little scalp massage every day boosts blood flow and helps those natural oils glide down your strands. And if you want to go the extra mile, try adding a few drops of rosemary or peppermint oil for a boost. Nutrition matters too. Load up on foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E. Think leafy greens, berries, and salmon. Don't forget protein because your hair craves it. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water isn't just for your skin, it's key for lush, vibrant hair. Quick pro tip, rinse your hair with cold water at the end of your shower. It helps lock in moisture and boosts shine. And switch to a satin pillowcase. It'll cut down on frizz and breakage overnight. So skip the daily heat styling, be gentle when detangling, and protect your hair from the sun and pollution with hats or UV sprays. Consistency is everything. Give your hair a little extra love every day, and you'll see and feel the results. Ready for your best hair ever? Hit like and let's glow together.